Good morning, kids. Welcome to Ajul International School's virtual class. Today's class is an English phonics class. We'll be taking the consonant patterns PH, GH, CK, and G. Now, of course, you know what a consonant is. A consonant is any letter that is not a vowel, and we already know what the vowels are. We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So any letter that is not a vowel is considered as a consonant. Okay, so we will start with the first consonant pattern, PH. Now let's see what happens when P comes with H. What sound does it make? Let's see, we have P and H. The sound is F. So here there are two consonants that stand for one sound. So we have consonant 1 and consonant 2. They stand for one sound, which is f, just like phone. Okay? It has the same sound of the letter F. F, f. So when the letter P comes with the letter H, they make the sound f. Memorize that. Okay, so this is for PH. Now let's check more examples. We have phone. We already said what phone. Phone is used to dial numbers, to call someone, to receive calls. You know what a phone is. This is a phone. So here, phone does not start with the letter F. Instead, it is PH. PH is pronounced as F. Phone. Phone. So when P comes with H, it makes F sound. Phone. Phone. Here, of course, you know what an elephant is. Now, I expect that you know the meaning of the words because the words are very easy. These are your spelling words. Just because when you get to start with the exercises, if there is a word you do not know, you can get back to the video. Okay, so we have elephant, elephant, PH, elephant, elephant. So, did we write F? No, we wrote PH. That makes the same sound as F. Two consonant words, PH, make the sound F. Elephant, trophy. So this is a trophy that you give or award to someone who won something, who wins, like someone who wins a competition. So this is a trophy. PH. PH. Did we write F? No, we write PH, which makes the same sound as F. Trophy. Trophy. Dolphin. Dolphin. PH. Dolphin. Graph. Graph. PH. Graph. So, of course, you took a graph in math. It can be a bar graph, it can be a line graph, whatsoever. You know what a graph is. It's a diagram, okay, that represents something. So, graph, PH, pronounced as F, graph, okay? Phone, elephant, dolphin, trophy, graph, PH, F. Now, it's not only PH that makes the F sound, we have the GH as well. When the G comes with H, it makes F. F. We do not say G, no, it's F. F. G with H makes F. Okay, let's see this example. Cough, Cough. When you're tired, when you have a cold or flu, you cough. Like this boy, he's coughing because he's tired. Cough. Cough. GH. So we said that PH makes the F sound, and GH as well makes F. Cough. Laughter or laugh. We have laugh and there's laughter. Someone who's laughing. Laughter. See, this boy is laughing because someone, let's say, told him a joke. So he's laughing. Laughter. Rough. Rough. Rough is when something is not smooth, okay? You may have a rough throat or a rough surface. So rough, GH, okay? Rough is used for describing things, so I'm not gonna put a picture for that. Enough, enough. Enough is when you do not want more of something, okay? So let's say here this girl is pouring juice to the other girl and she's telling her enough. She doesn't want more juice, so she's telling enough juice. Enough, when you do not want more of something. You say enough. Enough. So, here, you have to know the consonant words that make the F sound. GH makes F. PH makes F. GH makes F sound. And the PH sound. GH like cough, laughter, rough, enough. Now we get to something new, which is CK, which makes the sound K, K like cake. The letters C and K make the K sound when they're combined. So we have C and K makes K, K like clock, clock. So it's not only K, it's CK. Clock. K. CK makes the K sound. Back, back, backpack, backpack. We have two K sound, the pack and the back. Backpack. It is a large bag, okay? It can be used for camping or you can take it to school to put your stuff in it. So this is a backpack. Okay, makes the K, K sound. Ticket, ticket. Please pay attention to these words because these are your spelling words. You have to know how they're pronounced. Ticket. K, K. A ticket is used for the airplane tickets. It is a paper, okay? Usually to enter an event, to enter, let's say you have cinema tickets, you have the tickets of the train, the tickets of the airplane. These are all tickets, okay? Ticket. K. So we do not write K, no, CK. Ticket, ticket. Please, it's better to write down all these words on your copybook so that you can practice writing these words. Okay, write them several times. Clock, K, CK, clock. We use the clock to know what time is it. So here's 3 o'clock. Clock, K, CK. Duckling. Of course we know what duckling is. Like ugly duckling, the story. K, K, duck, duckling. This is a duckling, a young duck, a small duck. So CK makes the K, K sound. We have backtrack, to K, K, K. Backtrack. Backtrack is when you turn, when you get back and take steps that you already took. So this is backtrack, when you get back to something. Like for example, they realized that they took the wrong direction and would have to backtrack. they were moving in the wrong direction, so they have to take the steps again. Okay? So they backtrack, they turn again, backtrack. NG. When the letter N comes with G, it makes the nick sound. Okay? Like hang, nick, nick, nick. Okay? There's nothing strange about this. You already know that in any word, if you find N and G, we're gonna pronounce it as nick, nick, like hang. Let's see. Clang, clang, nick, clang. See, this is a bell. The metallic sound that comes from the bell is called clang, nick, clang, clang. Okay? Any metallic sound that comes from an instrument or anything is called clang. Let's say the bell clangs. This bell clangs, clang, clang. NG, nick, nick. Hanger, hanger, hang, hanger. Used to hang your clothes. Ring, ring. NG, ring. Nig, nig, ring. Duckling, again, duckling. So you'll notice here that there's also the NG, there's the CK, which is k, duck, duckling. NG, nig, duckling. Okay? So revise these words again so that you'll be ready with the exercises that we'll be doing shortly. So that's all for the phonics. We're going to start with the exercises in the next video. Thank you.